Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, my name is Abigail and I make videos about special needs and health issues and basically whatever's going on in my life. So one of the things that I enjoy doing that I'm not sure if I've talked a whole lot about on here or not, but I actually really enjoy coloring. And the other day I got this new coloring book. I really like coffee, and I got this as a prize from Our Lady's meeting at church. So I picked out one coloring page to color, and I just realized something really funny that I did. So I'm working on this one right here. As you can see, I got some of it done, but not all of it. So because I'm left-handed, it is easier for me to, when I color a coloring page, to take it out of the book and then just color it itself. So earlier I was coloring this same coloring page. I was working on it a little bit, and I had put it in this book, and so when I opened the book again, it was sitting on top of the page, kind of like this, like it was, in there. And so I turned the page to start coloring on it and realized the page is torn out. I had forgot that I had taken the page out of the coloring book, so that was kind of a funny mistake. I did make a kind of bad mistake today, I'll admit. My mistake was eating pizza. So I'm not much of a pizza person. As a matter of fact, before my health issues, I was like really burned out on pizza, but at this point, since I'm not really able to hold down much besides liquids, we were having pizza for supper, and I was like, hey, I'll try it. So I had like 3 pieces of pizza, and like right after an hour, it came up. It was not good. So now I'm like back to shakes for the night. I have been like letting myself have one meal a day that's like I'm not normally able to have, because I think that my doctor would tell me if that's what helps, my mind through this. I think even if I get sick 30 minutes to an hour after I eat, I think going ahead and eating something I want would help. And for those of you that don't know, I do have gastroperesis, which is partially paralyzed stomach, and I was also born with a birth defect called congenital diaphragmatic hernia, also known as CDH. Basically, several of my insides were in the wrong spot as a baby, and one of those things was my stomach. And so as a baby, I had put back in the right spot. Then I was healthy for several years, and then after I was like 19, I think, my stomach surgery slipped again, and so then I had stomach surgery the second time, and now I'm 22 and I'm having health issues again, similar to when it slipped before. We're not wanting to do another surgery because we feel that that's too dangerous, because I have a lot of scar tissue, and part of my stomach is already paralyzed, from gastroperesis. So I don't want to do any more surgeries. I think it's towards the beginning of January to a new stomach doctor to see what the plan is as far as what to do, but I'll be honest, this is hard. Really hard not being able to eat whatever I want to. I'm like, even the toddler size that I ate before, like right after I was diagnosed with gastroperesis, like even the toddler size won't stay down. I can do peanut butter, I can do shakes, I can do Nutella, but when it comes to like real food, it's like a no, and it's been a little bit difficult. But I do have y'all to talk to, and maybe if you're going through a similar situation, maybe you'll understand. And I like that my channel, I can just be open about how I feel. Tomorrow is Wednesday, so we have church tomorrow night. So we also have like not really like a children's church, but like a youth night in the back on Wednesdays, so that's really fun. I'm excited about that. Anyways, I thought I'd just pop on and give a little bit of an update. Thank you all so much for your kind comments, and helping me through everything. And I will see you all tomorrow. Bye, everyone.